Success is an indicator of sacrifice. You are right where you deserve to be in life. Don't have a six-pack? You didn't eat the proper foods. Your friend who came from nothing is driving your dream car? He was studying while you were partying. When you go to basketball practice at 5 a.m., Kobe Bryant's been there since 2. Do you want to leave a ding or a dent on the universe? The choice is yours.
Now, before I accept any clients to be under a coaching program, I always ask them, kaya mo bang gawin yung mga bagay na hindi mo pa nagagawa para makuha mo yung mga resultang hindi mo pa nakukuha? So that's a commitment on the path that we are going to continue to move forward until such we find the answer. Now, most of my clients do not actually try to reflect with that question. Medyo hindi nila naiintindihan yung bigat ng pagbabagong pagdadaanan nila. And of course, yung mga sakripisyong kailangan nilang gawin, kasi nga, kailangan nilang patayin yung version ng mga sarili nila para mapunta doon sa version na gusto nila.